Akiaria thukuru-ini wa Technical University County ya Mombasa, mutongoria wa kiama gia Kenya Transporters Association Alfayo Otuke ni augite mawatho maya meru mamwe mamwe gukorwo na marua makinyaniru kuhuruka kwa matereba ithaa rimwe kuri aria mathiite thabari cia mathama na matekuhuruka udumwe na kuiga ngari haria ibatie nimekuhatiriria wonjoria na njira nene.
The information NTSA is struggling to have is within the government. The cargo right now is monitored from the point of entry to the end through electronic tracking cargo device. So that information can be shared with NTSA. But unfortunately, we have even had officers being killed on the road, police officers, because they are chasing a truck instead of just sending a message to the second roadblock, and that truck is arrested just because they cannot share information.
No munini wa mutongoria wa ruhonge rwa NTSA John Muya ni ateteire wagiriru wa mawatho maya kuri augite ni meguteithiriria hari kunyihia mitino iria icungagiririo ni ngari cia thabari ndaya.
Wakati huu mtu yeyote ambaye ako na license ya BCE unapatiwa license ya kuendesha commercial vehicles. Hiyo itaisha kwa sababu tutakuwa na leseni ambayo ni inahusika hasa na wale watu wanaendesha magari ya commercial kama vile tuko na ya PSV.
Akigereka mutino uria wacungiririe kucia makiria ma andu 30 mwena wa Gilgil, Muya augite no nginyagia matereba marumire mawatho macio kwaga uguo mang'ethanirwo nao kiwatho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.